Hi students, welcome to Narayana virtual classes. This is Chandrasekhar, physics teacher. Today we discuss 6th class assignment 3. The chapter is playing with magnets. So in this assignment 7 questions are given. The very first question is, for what purpose do we use magnetic compass? For what purpose do you use magnetic compass? Magnetic compass are mainly used to find the direction, to find the direction, to find the direction. To find the direction. So this is the image of magnetic compass. So for which purpose we are using magnetic compass? Mainly to find the direction. So that is the answer of first question. Coming to the second one, in which direction do magnets comes to rest? In which direction do magnets comes to rest? So if you observe this image, magnetic compass, so if the magnetic compass is freely, so it always shows north and south direction. It always shows north and south direction. So if you observe this one, so here the indicator indicates north and south direction only. So in which direction do magnets comes to rest? It always shows the north and south direction only. Coming to the question number 3, when do magnets repel and attract each other? When do magnets repel and attract each other? So if you answer that question, if you observe this image, here we are taking two magnets. So here 4 magnets are given. So if you observe here, so same poles, if you observe the same poles, here repel each other. Same pole repel each other. Same poles repel. Same pole repel each other, and opposite poles, here north and south. So unlike poles attract each other. So in what when do magnets repel and attract? If the unlike poles are comes together, it will attract. If like poles are comes together, it can repel. Coming to question number 4, what precautions do we need to follow in case of a magnetic compass? So what type of precautions we are taking here? So here magnetic compass and magnets knots comes together. So because it can repel and attraction is takes place, that's why magnetic compass and magnet not together. Magnetic compass and magnet not comes together. So this is the precaution. Magnetic compass and magnet not comes together. So coming to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, write uses of magnetic compass. Magnetic compass is mainly used to find the direction. Magnetic compass is mainly used to find the direction, and some more daily life examples also given. So here magnetic compass is mainly used in ships, aeroplanes, and army people, and mountaineers are mainly used to this magnetic compass to find out the unknown place, because magnetic compass always showing north and south direction only. If you can easily find out remaining 2 directions. So these are all the uses of magnetic compass. Army people, ships, and aeroplanes, mountaineers are mainly used in magnetic compass. Coming to the question number 6, if you break a magnet into 10 pieces, how many north and how many south poles would be there in all? So here, if you take one bar magnet, cuts into different types of parts. So each and every individual magnets working as a magnet. So if you observe clearly, so here this is a bar magnet, cuts in two pieces. Again these two pieces act as a bar magnets. Here north and south poles are exits. Again you should cut this one. Again these two are taking as a magnets. So here 10 pieces, if you cut the 10 pieces, 10 north poles, 10 north poles and 10 south poles are exits. 10 south poles are exits. So this is the answer of question number 6. Coming to the question number 7. Here, how do we find the directions with a bar magnet? How do we find direction with a bar magnet? So if you explaining this one with the help of small activity, if you observe this one, so in this diagram, if you take one stand, if you take bar magnet and suspended freely with the help of a thread, so if the suspended freely bar magnet always shows the north and south direction. So if you take another bar magnet and comes to the closer to the suspended bar magnets, that means the bar magnets either repels or attracts. So that means the bar magnets comes to disturb. Coming to the after some time, it again shows north and south direction only. So here if you take unlike poles, it can attraction takes place. If you take the same poles, so here repulsion takes place. So if you find the direction with the help of bar magnets in this activity. So thank you students, thank you very much, thank you all.